Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on set and set notation. In this video, what I'm doing is I'm looking at a couple of Venn diagrams with the set notation, and I'm figuring out which regions should be shaded in. I'm doing it in a couple of different ways. So the first way I'm going to do is a little bit more visual. We need to start in the parentheses. C complement union B. Union kind of looks like a big pot. Everything gets added in. So C complement is this area, this area, this area, and this area. If we want to unite that with B, we need to include this area and this area as well. So we have everything but these two spots. But we do the union of that with A, which means we will include this area. It looks like we have everything but this funky little bottom shape that should be shaded in. But let's do this a little more concretely if you're not so much of a visual person. What I want to do is I want to take each of the regions and I want to number them. So just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So C complement. C complement, C is going to be 4, 5, 6, and 7, which means C complement is going to be 1, 2, 3, 8. Everything that's not in C. And we want to get the union of that with B. B is 2, 3, 5, 6, taking the four regions that make up B. And union means bring them together. So if we brought them together, we have a 1. We only need to put the 2 in once. We don't need to write elements more than once. 3, 5, 6, and 8. So now we've brought those together. We want to join that union with A. 1, 2, 4, 5. Well, they both have a 1, they both have a 2, they both have a 5. So essentially all we're doing, bringing into the picture now is 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Everything but 7, which is what we had before when we did it with the dots, everything but this funky shape. So everything else should get shaded in. Yay. Okay, next example. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to start with visual. Intersection of A and B complement. Well, B complement is this region, this region, this region, and this region. And if we want to know what that has in common with A, it's this and this. So we're down to 2 regions that are part of A but not part of B. We want to know what those X's, not the dots, have in common with C, because intersection means shared. So what do those two share with C? And we're left with just this. Much different than that. Here we just have a little area to shade. All right, let's do this with the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, A is 1, 2, 4, 5. We want to intersect that with B complement. B complement is 1, 4, 7, 8. And so complement is what they have in common. So there's a 1 and a 4. So now what we want to do is we want to take 1 and 4 and intersect that with C. C is 4, 5, 6, and 7. Those are the regions that make up C. Intersect is what they have in common, but in this case, all that they have in common is 4. So once again, both ways we did it, that's what gets shaded. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video, learned something new. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks.